Hi, I'm Louise from RosterElf. It's great to have you here today. Let's talk about how to customize your RosterElf dashboard so it works perfectly for you. Your dashboard is the first screen you see when you log in, and it's designed to give you easy access to the information and tools you use most. With a few quick tweaks, you can personalize it to match your role and your business needs. How to use the default widgets. The default widgets give you a clear overview of key areas, including account setup, statistics, roster trends, and pending shifts. Each one is designed to make managing your team and tracking your business simple. How to view business statistics. Check the statistics widget for key business metrics at a glance. Hover over the question mark icon to see what each metric means and how it impacts your business. How to track roster trends. Look at the roster trends widget to see patterns in rostered hours, labor costs, and average pay rates. Use this information to optimize your scheduling and save on costs. How to manage pending shifts. Open the Pending Shifts widget to see and approve shift swap requests or fill open shifts. This keeps your staffing organized and ensures you never miss a change. And that's how you can make the most of your RosterElf dashboard. If you need a hand, our friendly support team is always ready to help. Happy rostering!